Chris, napuno na kay Vice Governor Mark. Tila napuno na ang Queen of All Media Chris Aquino sa dating karelasyon na si Vice Governor Mark Leviste. Sa kanyang social media account, pagkatapos linawin ni Chris na siya ay walang karelasyon at tahimik na ang kanyang buhay, nag-comment dito ng thank you si Vice Governor Mark. Dito ay tila na-trigger ng galit si Chris at diretsahan sinagot ang comment na ito ni Vice Governor Mark. Ayon kay Chris, ilang beses na raw siyang nakiusap ng privacy, pero patuloy pa rin daw ito sa pangungulit para mapansin. Ang isa pang bagay na nagpagalit kay Chris ay aniya na hindi maganda na isang taong malapit sa kanila ng kanyang anak na si Josh ay magpo-post ng unwanted pictures. Ito aniya ang kinakasama ng kanyang loob at naapakan ng pagkatao nilang mag-ina. Ito ay nag-ugat ng mag-post si Vice Governor Mark ng pictures niya kasama ang daddy ni Josh na si Philip Salvador. At Mark Leviste, even the nicest, kindest people have their limits. I refrained from calling you by name and I tried my best to stick to the facts. You know what you've done over and over again. You are so aware of what my sisters and I are going through, but heck, anything to gain attention. From the very start, I asked you for privacy. Yet, even that, you felt impossible to give. I hated being the last to know. Then now, it's a take-two with Kuya's dad. We've had the bullying in all forms, yet someone who got to personally know us had to post unwanted pictures 2 times. That inadvertently hurt my feelings. Because I knew attention at the expense of an innocent like Kuya is so evidently an exercise in showing that you can get away with everything. Not when ang naapakan ang dignidad naming magnanay. Be grateful people are reading a very cleansed version. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.